Okay, here's a quick look at the E-mini S&P for Thursday, November the 3rd, 2011. At E-mini Day Trader, we like to use the market profiles to gain a better perspective as to the condition of the market. We had the big down move here on Monday, part of Monday here, and through Monday evening to Tuesday. This is the profile from today. This was yesterday. This was Tuesday. This was Monday. So very large range overnight here that we had. Market dipped all the way down to our major support at 15 and then all the way up to 54 and change. It actually hit 13.5 down here. We had a support level in around the 29 to 30 area up in here. You can see the market opened here up above the next level that we were monitoring, which was at 45. So came down to our next support, hit 30.50, and then basically moved higher for the rest of the day. So this is pretty bullish. It came right up to the next target up there around 59, and then backed off a little bit to finish the day. So this is definitely a bullish development, and not all that surprising. We were monitoring some certain levels, and as the market moved above it, it certainly made more sense. So those are the profiles from the regular trading hours. Here are our trades from today. Unfortunately, we didn't have a lot of trades triggered today. We had a really good sense of what the market was doing. We had a long trade here. Unfortunately, the market did not pull back to fill it. We did have a long trade here and a long trade here. The long trade here and the short trade here we did not take because we had the resistance right up here at 58. The short trade we don't want to take against the filter, and the long trade was butted up against the resistance area. So just the one long trade in here, you can see through the software we had some other opportunities after the market had this pretty swift down movement here, and then got rejected from these lower prices. So we had opportunities here on this high velocity move and on this high velocity move. That some of our members were able to take advantage of, even though our software really didn't actually show a trade per se. And this is really, I think, the beauty of our software in the long run is that, and the feedback we get from our members is that after using the software for, let's say a month or so, you really develop your market feel and a much better awareness of your ability to establish who is in charge, buyers, sellers, or is it sideways. And also some very good support and resistance areas, and some timely opportunities and day structure that helps you identify those in real time as the market's trading. And so I think this is the real beauty of the software, so that in the long run the trader can really develop his own style and his own expertise and not just solely rely on our specific trade types and entries, because we had some traders with some tremendous gains today because of the bullish nature of the market and the way it dipped down and hit support and then had a very strong rally. So we had excellent structure during the day that really allowed us some excellent buying opportunities. Even though the actual software itself did not show that many trades today. Of course, any software, any tool like that is not going to show you every trade, but if built in with the software, it does give you indications or has structure that you can then read to make better sense of the market. Then you're way ahead of the ball game, because then you can really grow as a trader from there and really learn. So we had some really actually some tremendous trades today, able to get long down there in the 1240 area, for example, 1241 area for a tremendous rally. That was down when the market dipped into here, and then some other opportunities as it made some new highs here. So it was one of those days that unfortunately it doesn't really show the tremendous trades that we had, but from just the standpoint of the specific trades, just a one trade in there. So at any rate, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. We're looking really at 51 to act as support. Next levels up are at 63, 67, and then 73. 51 good support, and then down around the 43 area support. So thanks for watching, and any questions or comments, just get a hold of us. We can be reached at info@eminidaytrader.com, and of course our phone number is also on the website as well. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.